You are listening to Story Collection YouTube channels, the news headlines. Security forces intensified operation to rescue hostages. Protest rallies held demanding release of Naga hostages. Manipur CM welcome centers. Demographic panel. KCP commanders arrested in Delhi. Economic blockade begins in Imphal. Illegal bunkers destroy. Arms and IEDs recovered. Congress approves NHRC over human rights concern. Press concern over attacks in border village. Fuel prices may rise further in Manipur. The news in detail. Joint Secretary teams have launched major search Operation Kangpokpi and Sanap district to rescue 20 abducted Naga and Kuki civilians and rising tensions in the state. Last protest rallies were organized in Imphal demanding the safe release of 6 Naga hostages. Women's group and civil society organizations submitted memorandum to the governor seeking urgent action. Chief Minister Y. Kemson Singh welcomed the centre's decision to form a high-level committee on demographic changes in illegal immigration, calling it a historic intervention for border states like Manipur. A key commanders of the banned Kangleipak Communist Party KCP, Hobism Dilip Singh, was arrested in Delhi. Authorities also recovered a large cache of arms and ammunition linked to the insurgent activities in Manipur. Civil society groups at the Imphal district have started an indefinite economic blockade over the killings of Kukizo leaders and the continuing hostage crisis. Manipur police and security forces demolished illegal bunkers in Ukrul and recovered assault rifles, explosives and IDs during anti-insurgency operation vulnerable areas. A Congress delegation met a National Human Rights Commission NHRC alleging a collapse of human rights in Manipur and demanding intervention over abduction, blockades and shortage of essential supplies. Reports emerged regarding attack on the border village allegedly involving Myanmar-based armed groups. Residents have demanded stronger security measures and independent investigation. Local reports suggest petrol price in Manipur could rose 112 rupees per litre following repeated fuel price hikes and ongoing highways restriction. Manipur football and cricket tournament continue across Imphal and Senapati. The state recorded 88.74% pass percent in class 10 board examination in this year. The Indian government has initiated the process for indigenous manufacturing of fifth-generation combat aircraft to strengthen defense, self-reliance and modernize the air force. Wangan government office remain closed in many parts of India today due to the Bakrid Adha. Digital banking services continue to function normally. The National Testing Agency (NTA) announced revised dates for CUET UG exam that were postponed because of the Eid holiday. Phrase admit cards have also been released. The Assam Assembly passed Uniform Civil Code UCC Bill 2026, making it one of the first state in India to move ahead with such legislation. The Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad ABVP held major meetings in Bhubaneswar discussing education reform, youth affairs and national security issues. The center said ordered the historic Delhi Gymkhana Club to vacate its premises by June 5th, citing public and defense requirements. The move has triggered political debate. Several northeastern and western states continue to face extreme summer temperature, while weather department have issued alert for heavy rainfall in parts of northeast India. The Indian women's cricket team starts a 3-match 20 series against England today, view an important preparation ahead of the upcoming World Cup. And now from the world news. Tensions in the Middle East escalated after Iran claimed it targeted an US airbase in retaliatory strike. Air raid sirens were reported in Kuwait and parts of Israel amid fears of wider regional conflict. Israeli military announced that Hamas armed wing commander Mohammed Odeid was killed during a strike in Gaza as fighting in the region continues. US President Donald Trump issued a strong warning on Oman during negotiations related to the Strait of Hormuz and regional security concern. Several European countries among Russian ambassadors after Moscow's warning regarding possible attack linked to the Ukraine conflict. European Union officials accused Russia of attempting to destabilize Europe. The UK and several European countries recorded unusually high May temperature, with authorities issuing hell alert and heatwave warning across the region. Authorities in the United States said the death toll of the major chemical spill at the Washington pepper mill would rise further as rescue operations continue. Mexico and the United States have restarted discussions to review their free trade agreement and changing economic and political conditions. FIFA President Gianni Infantino congratulated Scotland on qualifying for the FIFA World Cup after a 28-year gap, calling it a historic achievement. Oil market continued to fluctuate due to the tensions around the Strait of Hormuz and uncertainty in the Middle East, raising concerns over global energy supply. That is the end of the morning news. Have a nice day.